Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Bueno mi gente, como han podido ver, hemos realizado esta receta, lo que es un cacho pollo, una receta que vi en Instagram y quise replicar para mi canal de YouTube. Los ingredientes ustedes pudieron ver: pechuga de pollo, jamón ibérico, queso, el queso de su gusto, el queso que más a usted le guste. Para luego empanizar tenemos que utilizar harina. Primero se pasamos por harina, luego pasamos por huevo y luego lo ponemos en lo que es pan rallado. Si tiene con lo que vaya a acompañar, pues lo hace primero, si quiere lo hace después, y hace que esté bien caliente y luego freír. O sea que usted vio la receta en unos minutitos, Así que espero que les haya gustado esta receta. Aquí lo pueden ver, nuestro cacho pollo, que está sumamente delicioso, con una buena pinta, pero luego lo vamos a degustar nosotros en nuestra casa. Usted explíquelo, hágalo. Es simple: pollo, jamón, queso, pan rallado, harina y huevos. Y aceite, claro, aceite que usted utilice para en su casa. Muchas gracias y que espero que les haya gustado esta receta. No olviden suscribirse a nuestro canal de YouTube, denle like, activen la campanita y sobre todo compartan nuestro contenido con todos sus familiares. Contenido 1A para toda la familia. Seguimos en depuertoplatatv.